What's up, everybody? I am Sister Slayosh, and welcome to my channel, Boo Sugars. Y'all, look here, y'all. Look. This wig is slate. Wow. This is actually a wig, and you know what? Shout out to my girl Phoebe Rome again. Sis, I think I can do this wig thing. Yay! Well, anyway, I am Sister Slayosh, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the Slay Nation. Please do not leave without leaving a comment, liking, subscribing, and joining the family. Today, I have a wig review for y'all today. Okay. So yes, this is my wig. Let me tell y'all a little bit about this wig. It is the Brown Sugar Human Hairstyle Mix Lace Front Wig. Yeah, I've been a little extra. So I'm just gonna do a little rotation here. The thing that I do love about this wig, of course, if you move too much, the track probably will show here and there. But for the most part, it is a very, very nice, full, voluminous, volume-filled wig. Yeah. What else? The lace is very soft, so it's, you know, comfortable on the head. And yeah, she on point. So this is a 30. It's like super duper long. It's a 30-inch wig. I mean, it's probably gonna see my little edges because I didn't glue it down because I'm just reviewing it, honey. It's nice. A little longer than what I'm comfortable with. Anybody who knows me, I'm only 5'2". So this wig like literally chops me in half. The only problem I have with the wig is the fact that it's so long. I wish it came in like a shorter length. But yeah, this is it. I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about this wig. This is the little tag that it came with. The color that I'm wearing is 0S1B Sapphire, which is a sapphire blue purple, like a violet. It's beautiful, y'all. It's really, really beautiful. It's like almost an electric purple. That's the best way to describe it. And from a distance, it looks like it's just one color, but it's not. It's like it has greens, purples, blues, reds, and also a little black in here as well. It's like a mixture of all types of colors. I don't know. I'm gonna try to hold it up as close as I can so y'all can kind of get a good look at what it really looks like. That's about as close as I can probably get to the camera. But yeah, it's a beautiful wig. Usually I'm not a party girl or anything anymore. Now I used to get down back in my day, but now I just work and go home. That's pretty much my life. Wish it was a little more exciting, but honey, I'm praying that some changes happen so I can get my life back, hunty. But anyway, yeah, so I don't really go out a lot, so I won't see myself pulling for this wig a lot. But I mean, she's nice to wear to my second job, you know what I'm talking about? So yeah, yeah, this, sorry, tell y'all, get back to this wig, you know, get back to it. So it is a, this one, it can be parted in like 2 or 3 ways. It's not a 360 frontal to where you can part it anywhere. I think that's what it is, 360 frontal. It's not a 360 frontal. So, but you can part it in like 3 different ways. I prefer to keep it parted here in the middle. It just looks a lot better like that to me. So I just keep it parted in the middle. The cap is black, and it stretches. Like, I have a huge head. Like, when I say huge, like Squidward on SpongeBob plus 2 watermelons. It's wide, and I was able to fit this cap comfortably over my head. Unlike other wigs I have tried on before, they're too tight and they're not comfortable to the point to where it's bulky. But this is a human hair synthetic mix. That came with that. It's synthetic. But the thing I do like about it is not too shiny. It has a nice luster to where it actually could, like someone could actually pull this off as their real hair. I couldn't because like just yesterday I had a little short curly hair, which is my natural hair. But if someone was, let's say they had long hair and they just wanted to pretend that they colored their hair or something, they could really get away with making this, saying that this is their real hair, because it looks like it could be real hair. Oh, I just really like this wig. Of course it's synthetic, so you can't really bleach the knots or anything, I don't think. I didn't have to do any plucking. I probably can stand to pluck just a little bit, but since I don't really know about a lot of wigs just yet, I just took a little bit of my NC45 Studio Fix powder, and I used like a little angle brush and just drug the color down the middle of the scalp. And that was really it, y'all. But yeah, this is the Brown Sugar Human Hair Style Mix wig. The price that I saw on it was like $67. I didn't pay that because I got friends that, you know what I'm talking about. So, you know, this is a nice little gimme here. It also comes with like a little thing of wig tape on the back. I didn't use that because I didn't want to. I guess that's the best way to put it. It also comes in blonde, violet, 1B, 192 gold, blonde, 99J. I don't know what those colors are. I just don't know. And it also comes in a 613, which, as a matter of fact, give me a second. I'm gonna step over here because I actually have the 613. This is the wig that I butchered. I have the 613 right here. And like I said, I done butchered her, honey. So this is the 613 version in this wig. It's just as long, well, it's the same length. She can stand a little TLC because, honey, I done beat the brakes off this wig. Once again, the 613 is full. So yeah, say hello, Shanquisha. Hi bees, how you doing? Welcome to the Slay Nation. All right, girl, bye. So anyway, yeah, she was trying to steal my shine, and I would not have disrespect. This is my channel. All humane. So anyway, if you are interested in more videos like this, I'm still finding my way. Stay down, chick, stay down. I'm still finding my way when it comes to this wig thing. But so far, I'm feeling it. You'll see more wig reviews. Join the Slay Nation. Like and subscribe. If y'all like this color, if y'all want to see this same wig and another color on me, let me know, Boo Sugar, in the comment box. And join the family, baby. I can't say it enough. I probably already said it like 10 times. You're tired of me saying it, so why don't you do it? I love you guys. Bye, Boo Sugars. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all one important thing. Baby hair is not included. And my history with wigs ain't that good, so I'm not gonna even bother with cutting no baby hair in there as of right now. I'm just somebody else do it for me. So keep in mind, baby hair ain't included with this wig, so you might have to buy it separately or something. I don't know. You might have to go to Walmart or Target to get some baby hair and just slap it on the front. If you're looking for baby hair with this wig, and baby hair is a deal breaker, the deal will be broken because ain't none up there, and you're gonna be pissed off. The end. Now I'm gone for real. That part.